Collector Holic here. Today we have another box, a case of M2 machines, the model kits. Hey guys, love these model kits. Wish there was more than 4 in here, but there's only 4 in here. But they are some of my favorites because you get to choose your wheels, you get to choose your rims, and some of them you get to choose the engine parts to put in it, which is pretty cool. Only 4 of these come in the case. Let's see what we have. Alright, number 1. Ooh, sweet van. That is cool. 1965 Econoline delivery van. Nice. Here's the rims. Have these racing rims here, or the originals. That is cool. Then you have these. You could put a car on top as well. Another van. Another vehicle. It screws right in. Pretty cool. Screwdriver to put everything together. This thing comes apart. Nice. Love these. Alright, next up we have sweet Volkswagen. I am a Volkswagen collector. And look at that, beautiful. That is nice. Sweet. We have the original rims with the red, and the white walls, which I like a lot, and the gold. That's a beauty. Go into my Volkswagen collection. Nice. And I will be opening these up at one time soon, putting them together, getting a closer look at them. Alright, next up we have, ooh, look at this, 1970 Dodge Super Bee. Another beauty. Love the color. And this one comes with some engine parts. They don't all come with engine parts, but this one does. We have some 2 sets of chrome rims, some engine parts. Now you could choose one or the other engine part. So if you have, like I always say, if you have 2 of these, you could make one with these wheels and that engine part, and one with these wheels and that engine part, and then put it right on top. They screw right into the top of this. Pretty cool. Alright, last one up. And this one is a 1976 Datsun truck. Look at those mirrors on the hood. Pretty sweet. 76 Datsun truck. Wow. Datsun. The gold rims. Oh, the 2 different engine parts, and some chrome rims. Pretty cool. Wow. 1976 Datsun. What did Datsun turn into? Dodge? Datsun. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for hanging out for these few minutes. You guys have a great night. Until next time.